wants to be a unicorn. And I'm the girl that has two dogs named Mia and Scrappy. Oh, I want to be a strawberry. My attempt is to jump on top of the bed. And Kaylee's bed is like 5 feet tall, which I don't know why she would have bed that's 5 feet tall, because, I mean, she's only like 4.9. So, get out of my spotlight, bro. Sorry about that. So, yeah, I'm only like 5'2", so it's kind of hard for me to get on top of the bed. So, I'm gonna try and jump on top of the bed and embarrass myself in front of all you guys, which isn't fun for me, but should be hilarious for you. You want me? I'm scared. I'm gonna like embarrass myself in front of all you guys, but whatever. Okay. You ready? The name's Kaylee. I want to be a strawberry. People say time flies by when you're having fun, but really it's only been an hour. The name's Steven. I want to be a gorilla. Now jump on the bed. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do it right. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you want me to stop? Yeah. Okay. Alright, so we jumped on the bed. Oh wait. Okay. We embarrassed ourselves. We did the stupidest stuff that we thought we would never do on More Than Enough. And now, it's here forever. Stop trying to be sexy, Kaylee. It's not working. I'm so excited. Let's do this.